retardedness that has happened tonight. What's pulling our rear ends out?
A fucking Jeep, and that's why I own one.
Tried Chevys, tried a Ford.
Sup, homie?
Didn't try.
We need four-wheeler.
My truck was embedded in what is the biggest rut of all history right
But we
here.
can have fun.
I mean, we should honestly make this a mud bogging challenge. Seriously, I mean, this is ridiculous.
Hey, let's get the Nissan down here.
Made this a mud hole, he would make thousands.
Oh, dude, this is a ridiculous hole. So,
Dude, he would make more doing this than he would trying to do the horses.
a lifted up Silverado
On
2016
37s.
On 37s. That hole is the wheel's under there.
He can
Don't worry,
barely
it's still
open
there,
his
it's just
fucking
under
door.
there. Love you too, Seagull. Yeah. So that happened, getting me at least, like 10 feet.
We need four-wheelers
And then I
for
went
this
terribly
shit.
wrong. And just
Pick a
everything's
place
going
to play
terribly
it.
wrong.
Play in the dirt.
What do you say, Trevor?
I thought I was just going to eat.
I love this.
And then this shit happened.
Don't ride with Matt.
No. You, sir, encouraged me.
I did not. You didn't object, so that also
gotta
counts as
say, Ed,
encouraging.
This is some yee shit, motherfucker.
Raise hell,
Just
praise
gonna
down.
send it.
I'm still gonna send
Raise hell and praise down.
Number 3 in the track.
Number 1 in my heart.
Jeffrey's got a job now. Jeffrey Earnhardt.
Heck yeah.
I'm on a Jeep.
I swear, if this Jeep gets him out.
Dude, I'm gonna shit down my fucking leg
You
and fall back in it.
You glad you got your boots on?
Yeah, not really, no. I gotta wear these to work tomorrow, and
At least you can spray them all.
I'm swimming in an inch of water right now, Ed.
Alright, tell them to put it in reverse.
Put it in your backwards.
We're back.
Rebecca, rear end.
Put it in R for racing.
Come on, son.
One wheel.
Oh, hold on. Oh shit, the Jeep's sliding. That's not good.
Probably not gonna happen, but we'll see.
Pull it forward.
Good luck.
Okay,
That fucking
He has
front
nothing
end's
on the
sitting
front.
on the
it's
ground.
literally that deep. Those are 37s. They're under fucking water.
37s? I thought they were 35.
No.
They're 37s.
Well,
That really is my Jeep tires.
welcome to the redneck version of Jackass.
Y'all go push it while he's pulling it.
Just slide.
We ain't gonna.
That Jeep's not fucking doing shit.
So, lesson learned. Come over to my house. We're so used to it. Do not, I repeat, do not come in this field at all
After it's rained.
after it's rained. Can someone give me
Ever.
some extra light here?
Yep.
I just want to show them
Not that way.
On the
On the
ground.
mud.
On the ground.
how
Everybody gets
ridiculous.
Look at this shit.
So, this is my track getting out. I mean, they literally. I mean,
Look at that bubble.
that's
right
so
there.
deep, you go up to your hips. And I was all the way up
Dude,
there.
we need an Outlaw K20. Outlaw, if you see this shit, we need your K20, bro. Up church, anybody.
At this point, we should probably get them to come help us.
Dude, stitches.
Yeah. Dude, I'd love to see something out here.
Oh my god, please. I'll trade you an 84 K10. Shut up.
I don't know what you're talking about. I drove it the other day.
What a
It was
night,
perfect.
gentlemen. This turned from really bad, really quick to good.
I don't look good. Years. 2016, 15, 15.
I wish I had that kind of money.
Hey, my brother
I
got
wouldn't do
one of
this
those.
shit.
But it's like a 2011. And it's only 2,500. And I guarantee you it wouldn't have got stuck like that.
That's what
one.
that is, a
It
25.
would have been stuck on its side.
That's what that is,
So
a
lessons
25.
learned.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
may
My
just
brother
need to
wouldn't have
send
got
it,
stuck
but
like that. It would have been
sometimes
laying on its
it's
fucking
not.
side. Just the way he drives. Did he try to, hey,
Hit the brake.
Matt, did he try to park in reverse while going forward over there?
What?
No.
Did he try to park in reverse going forward?
Yep.
You didn't hear it making that clicking sound?
No. That's not what I messed up about.
Just drinking NASCAR. Hey, just drinking NASCAR and watching beer.
I've seen wood with
I'm
smarter
drinking some of that
than you.
Sunoco.
I've seen shit with more common sense than you.
How
You sure about that?
how do you back up put it in park and drive forward at the same time. Now, trust me, I'm dumb. And I mean really dumb.
Clearly.
Dumb enough to have all this happen because of it.
I dropped out of high school.
But even,
Exactly.
even he isn't that dumb.
Yeah, but you gotta remember, I went to fucking jail. And that's where I graduated from.
Oh.
You graduated
Graduated from the jail cell. Had a bunch of fucking rapists, damn, teaching your ass.
No, see,
No.
Somebody go up to the road and meet the tow truck.
Gotcha. Alright.
I'm on the way.
let's go. I'll go with you.
Is his truck still stuck?
Matt's, I'm not so sure.
No, it's not stuck.
I hope
anymore.
not.
Babe, shine your light on it.
I don't have no light no more. It's not stuck no more.
No, I wanna get the fucking mud that's all over it.
Yeah, you got me a tow truck.
The damn tow truck's gonna get fucking stuck.
I hope not. It's not just a little rollback, whatever. It's supposed to. The big.
We need to host a mud event here, right here.
Dude, that's what we were
What?
saying. My stepdad's one, you know.
What's the challenge?
Monster trucks, big.
No,
Hey,
let's get a
only
bunch
if
of
you would have
fucking
brought your
dumbass redneck
ATVs,
kids.
motherfucker.
No, just whatever you got, whether it's a big old 4-wheel drive or a little 2-wheel drive, whatever you pay, you're in charge of getting it pulled out.
This be a good place to have four-wheelers. My poor old boots.
So I'm glad I'm wearing my fucking Georgia mud dogs. They're built for this shit.
Pulled me out.
They're not yonder and jumping cold.
Fuck you. At least I'm warm right now.